Bullying in a school is a multifaceted problem. The motives behind bullying are diverse, accordingly Dagley 2000. 4. Major motives behind bullying are attention, revenge, power, or inadequacy. The common intent in cases of bullying is to harm others, but the severity of harm varies with the type of bullying. It varies from physiological and socially affecting others to physically assaulting others. The evidences from the researches on bullying suggest that impact of bullying on students' well-being and negative relation or social bullying and causing traumatic experiences for students. The collective identity of a group has a large role to play in the bullying. Bullies are usually students with a strong collective identity or with very weak collective identity. For example, in the classroom dominated by one race or color of students, students with different race or skin color would be marginalized based on their identity. They will be classified as others and likely to become victims of bullying. In contrast, the students from monetary group would like to act as bullies due to their perception toward the collective identity of students in the classroom. They are likely to engage in bullying due to threat by collective identity of whole class or power over the class. So, bully and victims role and interchangeable depending on their belonging to collective identity of the classroom. Early intervention is the key in order to reduce the highlight level of bullying. So, the focus is on the cases of bullying in the primary school. A wholesome approach is more ideal to educate and address bullying instead of focusing on individual unusual behavior. The teachers play an important part in it, but it should be the integrated effort of teachers, parents, students, and the school community. One of the integral part of assisting learners to deepen their understanding of definitions of bullying. Teachers have responsibility of clarifying the definitions of bullying and victimizations in order to highlight the different types of bullying, including social, physical, and verbal bullying. This clarification from teachers gives students clear understanding and awareness of what constitutes bullying and what type of identity is associated with bullying. Teaching the national value that reflects the equality in all aspects of life will encourage a student to reduce the marginalization between them and other students, which in turn create positive educational environment that will produce less cases of bullying as equality is embedded value as collective identity between students. As we know that bullying is the relationship issue, the educators' effort in creating collective identity will solve the relationship issue to a larger extent, as all students will have good relationship due to equality in terms of collective identity of belonging into some class or school. Thus, they will perceive other students irrespective of their classes, race, skin color, or physical or physiological disabilities.